everyone, welcome to my little moped. I am Dr. Hema Priya. Today we are going to see how to make spinach khichdi for babies. Khichdi is a very nutritious meal for babies and it is a filling meal for their little tummies. It is best to be given in the afternoon. Some people give it in the night also because it will help the baby sleep better. Spinach is the best source of plant-based iron and this can help your babies get the iron requirements for the day. So let us see how to make the spinach khichdi. Before we go into the video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any doubts regarding this video, please drop a comment below. I'll get back to you ASAP. Thank you.